In this lesson, we're going to just wrap up this intro to using the editor. So let's go over a couple things we didn't get to, and one of them is how we can sort of just change our view in the scene in a different way. So over here we can see we have this little widget thing, and I can just click on, say, the Y, and I go straight to the top view. Or I can click on the X and I'm on the side, or the Z and I'm on the other side. And I can just go around like this. I can view it from the bottom in just different directions. This will move me up this way. This will move me back down. Oh, and if I just click on the cube, I can switch between orthographic and perspective. And basically, orthographic will sort of flatten everything out. So if I just click on that, flatten everything out, versus being able to see in perspective where things get smaller as they go backwards. And one other way you need to navigate the scene is by zooming in and out, and you can do that by using the scroll wheel on your mouse. So just do that to zoom in and out. So, and if something weird like this happens where you lose everything, maybe this will fix it. But if not, then one thing you can do, select something over here in your hierarchy, and then put your cursor back over here and press F, and it will focus in on that object. So that should be helpful. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this. See you in the next one.